Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insightful product analysis. Today, we're diving into the world of imaginative play with what I believe is the best kids' doctor costume on the market. Behold the GIFTINBOX doctor costume for kids. This isn't just any costume. It's a gateway to a world of creativity, learning, and endless fun. Let's break down why this costume stands out from the rest. First off, it's all about authenticity. This set comes complete with a real stethoscope. Yes, you heard me right. Your little ones can listen to their own heartbeats or those of their friends and family, adding a whole new level of realism to their playtime. But it's not just about the accessories. The fabric is 100% polyester, ensuring comfort during those long hours of make-believe. And with 4 different sizes available, ranging from small to extra large, there's a fit for every aspiring doctor aged 3 to 12. Now, let's talk about the educational value. Role-playing as a doctor isn't just fun, it's also incredibly educational. It sparks imaginative thinking, nurtures empathy, and teaches important social skills like communication and cooperation. Plus, who knows? It might even inspire a future career in medicine. Whether it's for Halloween, a themed birthday party, or simply everyday dress-up fun, the GIFTINBOX doctor costume has got you covered. So, if you want to foster your child's imagination, creativity, and maybe even a passion for helping others, look no further than this top-notch doctor costume. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews like this one. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.